In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to click on lock screen. Then select screen lock type and tap on one of those login methods, PIN, password or pattern. Create it. Hit continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Now manage lock screen notifications and hit done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!